started. I'm starting the engineering mechanics in South India. So hope these all videos will helpful for you. And if you like all these videos, so please like and comment your questions and anything in the comment box. So without wasting time, so let's start with the engineering mechanics. So basically, what is the engineering mechanics? Engineering mechanics is the branch of science which deals with the study of the forces and their effects on the bodies in motion or rest. It means that the engineering mechanics is just science, and in that mechanics we are going to study the forces and their effect on the bodies, means how the forces are acting on the bodies and how many forces are there, whether that body is in motion or in rest position. Okay, then next is the classification of mechanics. So basically there are three types of mechanics. First is the rigid mechanics or a rigid body mechanics. Second one is the deformation. Okay, and third one is the fluid mechanics. So whatever engineering mechanics we are studying in the engineering, okay, that is the rigid body mechanics, that is engineering mechanics. Then deformation body mechanics and fluid mechanics is also there, but these are the different topics or these are the different points or the sub branches. But in the civil engineering or in mechanical engineering or in any engineering, first year we are studying this engineering mechanics, and that engineering mechanics is divided again two parts, that is statics and the dynamics. Okay, statics and dynamics, there are again two parts for the engineering mechanics. Then the statics and dynamics, again the dynamics is divided in the kinematics and kinetics. So initially we will study all the basic parts or the basic definitions that is required for the engineering mechanics. So again I will explain classification of engineering mechanics. Mechanics has three part: rigid body mechanics, deformation body mechanics, fluid mechanics. Okay, and the mechanics that we are studying in engineering level, that is engineering mechanics, and that engineering mechanics is divided in two parts: statics and dynamics. The dynamics is again divided in a statics and kinematics and kinetics. So we will learn all these definitions one by one. So engineering mechanics treats only the rigid body mechanics. Okay, so it depend only on the rigid body mechanics. Okay, then next one, it is divided into two sub branches. Okay, there are two sub branches of the engineering mechanics, that is the statics, okay, and the dynamics. A is a statics and B is a dynamics. So what is meant by statics? It is that branch of applied mechanics which deals with the body of a action of forces on a bodies at rest. So in the statics we are studying the forces. Okay, the main thing is what we are focusing on the forces, but in the statics our body is in rest position. The important word is what? The body is in rest position, and in the dynamics body is in motion. So in both cases, statics and dynamics, we are going to study the forces, but in statics body is in rest position, okay, and in dynamics body is in motion. So these are the two main difference again that we have discussed in previous page, that is dynamics is divided in two parts, that is kinematics and kinetics. Okay, so what is meant by kinetics? Kinetics, it is the branch of dynamics which deals with the study of action of forces on bodies in motion considering the mass of the body. Again, see, kinetics and kinematics, these both are the branch of dynamics, and dynamics is the branch of applied mechanics. Correct? If we go with the kinematics and kinetics, that is the branch of the dynamics. So we can just simple right, it is the branch of dynamics which deals with the study of action of forces on bodies in motion considering the mass of the body. So main thing is what? It is the branch of dynamics, and here we are going to study the forces and their action on bodies in motion. Body is in motion because it is a branch of dynamics, but the main thing is what? Considering the mass of the bodies, means in a kinetics we are considering the mass of the bodies, and these are the some examples, that is displacement, velocity, accelerations, time, then without references to the cause of motion. Okay, so these are the points. Then next, if we see the kinematics is what? It is the branch of dynamics, obviously, which deals with the study of action of forces on bodies in motion without any consideration of mass of body and the forces causing motion without considering mass of the body. So main difference is what? In kinematics we are considering the mass of the bodies, and in kinematics we are not considering the mass of the bodies. And if you see the definition, if you see the spelling, kinematics and kinematics, in kinematics ma is there, and in kinetics ma is not there. So ma, I am just considering this. So how I am rememberize that all the definitions, the kinetics ma is not there, and in kinematics ma is there. So I am considering ma as a mass. So in kinetics mass is not there, so they require mass, or they considering mass, and in kinematics ma is there, so he is not required mass. So that is the simple things in the way you can consider the definitions. Okay, thank you.